guys, and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor, inspiration and ideas, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more high-end than they actually are. If this is something that you're interested in, please sit back, relax, and keep on watching. One of the main goals of this channel is definitely to inspire. Every idea and creativity brought to you from this channel is just meant to inspire you to use your specific style to create anything that you want to create. The sky is your limit. If you get any inspiration from this video, please do not hesitate to share this video with someone to inspire them today to decorate and make over their space. Thank you so much. See you in the video. Before diving into our decoration for today and home decor refresh for fall 2023, I would like to present to you guys this purse that I brought to you a few months ago. If you have been on this channel for a few months now, I brought to you Teddy Blake designer handbag earlier this summer, and I have used it throughout the summer. So I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about how the purse has held up. As you might or might not know, Texas has been experiencing excessive heat and we have been going through a lot of damage. But the good news is my Teddy Blake handbag was free from that. I did not experience any damage with my Teddy Blake handbag, despite the fact that I traveled with it everywhere I went. The highlight about Teddy Blake today is the fact that they are having a huge Labor Day sale starting September 1. They're going to be having up to 70% off all items on their website. Listen guys, up to 70% off. It's not just the fact that this company produces high-end luxury handbag for less, but they are giving us up to 70% off to get this experience. The packaging, the way the bag comes, every time I wear this purse, my husband is always complimenting me. And guys, it is so classy. The leather is so high-end that every time you're going to have this purse, people are going to be asking you where you got it from. So do not hesitate to run to Teddy Blake's website right now and get yours. Do not be late to this sale. A code is going to be linked down in the description box below. Use that for additional dollars off. It can never get enough discounts, right? So anyway guys, make sure you check it out and thank me later. So get ready to jump right into our home decor refresh for fall 2023. This is officially the second episode of our home decorating ideas for fall 2023. This video is all about refreshing this breakfast dining area. This is one of the most used space in my home. This is a very high traffic area in my home. And if you've been on this channel for just a little while, you can remember how this space looked like before. I will link the video of this complete clean out and making over of this space. But yeah, I have decorated this space for summertime. You remember how I decorated this. Now it's fall and I'm trying to give it some fall vibes. If you watched our previous early fall decorating ideas, you notice I use a lot of black and gold. That's not the typical fall colors, and I think I will be maintaining that pattern, just keeping my home the way I want it. So I decided to try something new, which is the picture lights. I have had this light that I bought for a couple of months now. I really wanted to try it out, but I've not had the time to, so I decided to definitely give it a shot today. And the end look of it wasn't what I expected. I would really love to know your thoughts about it because for some reason I don't think I was feeling it. If there is one thing about me, I definitely love to learn new things. So I have been seeing a picture hanging hack on TikTok and Instagram and even here on YouTube. I've seen it with so many people, but then I wanted to try it out, and this has been helping me out for the past few months now since I discovered it. So the essence is just to put tape that you can probably write on or create a dent on. Then you're going to use the tape and measure it on the wall. So guys, just see what I did. So this is where I'm going to be putting the nails for the lights, and then I go to the wall, I place it in the area that I'm going to be creating the dent on the wall. Ideally, I should use a pen, but I used the scissors to create the hole already. So I don't know if you guys even understand what I'm doing, but if you've seen this hack, please let me know. And if you've tried it before, let me know, because it actually works for me and I love it. So now I created that dent or the holes for the nails. Then I'm going to measure and make sure that it still matches. You know, I just created the holes using that tape. The tape is still on the wall. All right. So I did that and I saw that, oh, it fits and I liked it. So now I'll take out the tape. You can actually leave the tape if you don't mind, but I'm taking out my tape and just fitting in my picture lights. So that's basically it. You can do this as well with pictures. So you look at the lights, guys. I do not like it. Like, it's not bright enough. Maybe I got a cheaper one, but this is not cute. I don't think it was all that cute. It was nice, but it wasn't like over the top. You know what I mean? Because some people be making this thing look like it's gonna be so cute.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day.
So let me use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my channel. Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. If you're new here, I hope you're here to stay. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And if you're an OG on this channel, you know I heart you, right? I do not take you for granted. Thank you so very much for always supporting this little girl, and thank you for watching the video up to this point. I really do appreciate you, and I hope you are enjoying it. If you are, please do not forget to comment. Tell me something nice down in the comment section. It warms my heart, and I always love to read and interact with your beautiful comments. Thank you guys so much, and please keep on watching and enjoying the video.
There's a new day to leave behind.
So guys, I decided to bring my cherry blossom to the fall season. I know, I couldn't help it. And the florals that are complementing the cherry blossom are gotten from the Dollar Tree. And of course, I finally introduced my first pumpkin for this season, and I am loving every bit of it. I cannot wait for you guys to see the reveal of this space and how everything looks well put together. Let me know your thoughts about everything down in the comment section. I would love to interact with you and know your opinion about our decorating ideas for fall 2023 in today's video.